How to make a patio umbrella stand. For shade exactly where you want it, build your own patio umbrella holder. Especially on a large patio, just anchoring the umbrella in the hole in your table may not provide enough shade for your patio users. Simple materials and beginner do-it-yourself skills can create a colorful, imaginative umbrella holder tailored to the specific needs of the sun lovers and shade seekers in your family. Things you will need: 1 12 to 20 gallon bucket or ceramic planter with drain holes. Hammer. Large nail or awl. Plan saucer. 2 bricks optional. 1-piece PVC pipe, diameter slightly larger than umbrella post. Tape measure. Hacksaw. 10 pounds river stones or small rocks, 1 to 2 inches in diameter. 10 pounds marble chips or coarse gravel, ½ inch in diameter. Round piece of water permeable landscape fabric. Scissors. 16 quarts potting soil. Water. Bedding plants, annual or perennial. Building your umbrella holder. Position the container where you plan to use the patio umbrella. The pot gets heavy and hard to move as you fill it. Turn the bucket over. Placing the tip of the awl or nail against the bottom of the bucket, hit it with the hammer to make drainage holes. Space 6 to 8 holes evenly across or in a circle on the bottom of the bucket. Place the ceramic container in the drainage saucer or turn the bucket right side up and set it on the 2 bricks. Cut the pipe with a hacksaw so that its top emerges 1 inch above the height of the container or pot. Center the pipe vertically in the container. Hold it straight with one hand while adding river stones or large gravel with the other, until the pipe can stand on its own. Continue adding stones until the container is 1/4 full. Spread the marble chips or large gravel evenly around the pipe until the container is half full. Planting the patio umbrella holder. Cut a hole large enough to slide the landscape fabric circle over the pipe in the center of the fabric, and pat it flat over the gravel. Fabric will keep the soil from sifting down through the layers of stone and clogging the drainage holes. Fill the container to within 1 inch of its rim with potting soil. Water the soil until evenly damp but not soggy. Plant seedlings or small plants around the pipe. Place the umbrella post in the pipe and open the umbrella. Tips warnings. Before choosing plants, decide whether your umbrella holder will function year-round or just during the warm months. If you need to store your planter indoors during the winter, mount it on a dolly to roll it on and off the patio. Take precautions to prevent your umbrella and stand from falling over in a storm or earthquake, if you live in an area where you experience frequent gusty winds or earthquake tremors. Choose a dolly with wheels that lock, and make it a habit to store the umbrella when bad weather is forecast.